Go for it.
No, that's the neighbor people, and they have 6 kids. Yeah.
Really, it's not common.
But they have a boy.
No, it's boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy.
Oh.
Boy. Something like that. They have girls.
They have, guys have more say-so over there.
Oh, they get to leave the toilet seat up at that house.
You're right, it is girl, boy.
Yeah, because
Megan's
the oldest. Even though, I can't remember what his name is, shot right up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, are they really good?
Joshua, Jeremiah.
Their house that's right there. No, that's what you can't see the house. The house that's right there. And it's close.
It's dripping inside.
A couple houses down where we used to live, we had these neighbors, boys that always party all the time. There'd be cops at their house all the time.
Brandon!
Watch out. He's okay.
No, everybody else has had the heart attack.
That's not really bad.
He's too busy watching me and not where he was walking.
Go cheating.
It's not cheating.
Yes, it is.
It's telling people that want to have a campfire.
Cheater.
Yes.
Well,
He's going to edit that part out.
all right. When we're talking about cheating, I'll admit to cheating on the pickles.
Todd.
Going down.
Todd. Let's look at that tree.
Don?
How do you know?
I've done hundreds of these.
It's going to fly inside the garage and point out your mom's
You can go ahead and
It does.
There it goes.
It's getting all black inside.
Toot toot.
Yes.
Toot toot.
It's stalled.
Houston, we have a problem.
We do not have. I circled around. We have damage on the extra.
Well, no wonder
Our
it turns
thruster is
out
not going or firing.
turns them all black on the inside.
You'll never see that, though.
You can see it from here.
That's white.
I'm going to have to edit this. Right?
Good thing there
Okay.
isn't any vocal commentary.
Oh yeah, it
On
saves
your
sound too.
recording.
There is.
It saves sound.
Oh.
Yeah, everything.
You suck!
Yeah, like, there's boys over here, we got the girls. It's like, you guys just can't be happy about the lantern. Let's talk about the lantern, yeah. I told you this is advertising.